Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert MS Excel sheet to MS Word document. So there are two methods. First one, you have to save it on your desktop. Then open MS Word. Now here click on Insert, then Object, and here click on Create from File. Browse and select that file which you saved. Now click on OK. So this is the method you can insert and you can convert your Excel file into MS Word. And once you double click on it, so it will redirect you to an Excel and you can make changes here. You can see top is the MS Word and here this layout is appear for Excel. Another way, in Excel, select this corner. Now Control C, open MS Word, and press Control V. So you can edit directly in MS Word. Here you need to adjust the size and everything according this table or your Excel file, so it will appear properly. So make sure firstly adjust size in Excel worksheet and then you copy and paste. Also you can make changes here and you can adjust like data in portrait. So make your layout as a portrait. Here you can make margins properly. So these are methods you can convert your Excel worksheet into MS Word. This is the for testing. You can create properly and make changes as you need. Thanks for watching.